Hi, my name is Professor Rana Chakrajeet. So I come from an engineering background, but not actually to do tech. So I was kind of transitioning myself into the IT industry, basically trying to set my foot on the door of the IT. So that's how I came about Fortray. I was actively researching how to find this mentor or alternative program. So that's how I came across Fortray, and I'm really glad that I found them. Right now I'm working as a support engineer specifically in UK, where I have to be engaged with cybersecurity, where I will use the software issues or the networking issues. So Fortray has helped me all along the way to this point, and they've helped me to market my profile, um, align my CV with the real job market, UK market, prepared me through mock interviews, provided me with different practical labs, and before that, um, I faced a lot of challenges regarding my confidence and real-time troubleshooting, and the Fortray helped me to overcome those issues by providing me with um, practical hands-on training with their practical labs and their mock interviews and their of course their one-on-one session. And yeah, so I would definitely recommend Fortray to anyone trying to set their foot on the door of IT.